Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. It's a sharp 2003 Honda VTX 1800. It was just traded in. This is the burnt orange. It's kind of an orange metallic. This is a lot of bike for the money. We got the 1800 cc V-twin, liquid cool, drive shaft. It's basically built like a car, maintenance free. It's got rear disc brake, dual front disc brakes, lots of chrome. It's got the footrest. It does have new tires. It's in very good condition. It's a footrest for the passenger. It does have a back seat, comfortable front seat. It is fuel injected, so cranks just like a car. It does have 9,508 miles. It's all your controls, headlight, blinkers, horn, kill switch. If you're looking for a nice bike at an affordable price, in good condition, this should do it. To see if this bike's still for sale, go to my website, Sunsetmilan.com. It's on the website, it's for sale. If not, it's sold. Thank you for watching.